Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M is widely recognized as one of the best RC planes for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. Far more than a simple trainer, it combines innovative technology with proven design to create a flight experience that's both safe and exciting. Its impressive 59-inch wingspan and the revolutionary safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope system set a new standard in RC flight, making it easier than ever to learn and master flying. Built on the trusted Apprentice S15E platform, the STS model integrates modern smart electronics that deliver real-time telemetry directly to compatible Spectrum transmitters. This gives pilots crucial data such as battery voltage, motor RPM, and current draw, creating a semi-professional experience even for newcomers. Safe technology acts as a built-in instructor, providing multiple flight modes that scale with skill. Beginner mode limits bank angles and auto levels when the sticks are released, intermediate mode expands maneuverability, and experienced mode unlocks full aerobatic potential, all while retaining the life-saving panic recovery feature. The Apprentice STS excels at making first flights successful. Even complete novices can take off, fly straight, and land confidently within minutes. Club instructors and seasoned pilots love it for training students safely, reducing learning time from months to weeks. Its durable EPO construction, wide tricycle landing gear, and thoughtfully reinforced components make it resilient, forgiving minor crashes without major damage. Optional GPS modules unlock advanced features like autoland and virtual fencing. With strong wind handling, easy assembly under 1 hour, and expandable capabilities, the Apprentice STS grows alongside your skills. Though slightly larger and pricier than basic trainers, its performance, safety, and technology make it a top choice for anyone serious about mastering RC flight. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy high-quality RC flight. With a 1,400mm wingspan and brushless power, this trainer delivers impressive stability and performance typically reserved for higher-priced models. What really sets it apart is its unibody ABS plastic fuselage. Unlike foam trainers that can shatter on impact, this crack-resistant plastic can endure crashes that would total lesser aircraft, giving beginners and youth programs a worry-free flying experience. This plane is ideal for budget-conscious beginners who expect a few learning crashes while building their skills. Its durability and forgiving flight characteristics also make it a perfect choice for clubs running training programs. The Ascent's tank-like construction ensures that bumps, cartwheels, or hard landings rarely cause serious damage, saving money and frustration. Flying the TrainStar Ascent is a delight. The click-and-plug wing system allows tool-free assembly, getting you in the air quickly. The 1050 kV brushless motor delivers confident climbs, smooth throttle response, and even basic aerobatic capability. Its large wingspan and gentle flight make it easy for first-time pilots to gain confidence, while the extra weight of the ABS fuselage improves wind handling for steadier flight. Key features include a unibody ABS fuselage, 1,400mm wingspan, 4-channel control with functional ailerons, overgrade 4023/1050 kV brushless motor with 40A ESC, and plug-and-play assembly. While it lacks modern stabilization systems like SAFE and the P&P version requires separate radio gear, the Ascent excels in stability, durability, and affordability. At around $180 for P&P, it offers unbeatable value, proving that premium trainer performance doesn't require a premium price tag. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't let the budget-friendly label fool you. The Carbon Cub S2 delivers impressive capability in a scale-accurate 1.3M SOL, short takeoff and landing, airframe. Combining safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and genuine bushplane performance, this trainer is as versatile as it is fun. From your very first flight to float flying adventures, the Carbon Cub S2 grows alongside your skills, making it an ideal all-in-one choice for beginner and intermediate pilots alike. This aircraft is perfect for newcomers who want scale realism without buying multiple planes. If you've dreamed of short-field operations or landing on grass, dirt, or even water, this Cub lets you explore those ambitions safely. Its oversized Tundra tires make rough field operations simple, while safe technology provides confidence-building assistance that can gradually be dialed back as you improve. Flying the Carbon Cub S2 feels like stepping into a true bush pilot's role. Functional flaps, tricycle landing gear with steerable nose wheel, and float-ready provisions make it capable in almost any environment. The Z-foam EPO construction is durable yet lightweight, control surfaces are precise, and thoughtful scale details like the pilot figure enhance realism. The Smart 38 ESC with telemetry compatibility and Spectrum DXS transmitter ensure a professional touch even for beginners. Key features include beginner to expert safe modes, optional Safe Plus GPS, functional slotted flaps, oversized Tundra tires, and water rudder-ready float design. While the tailrigger requires careful ground handling and the battery/charger are sold separately, the Cub's versatility, stability, and scale appeal make it a rewarding trainer. At around $300 for RTF Basic, it's a budget-friendly plane that flies and feels premium, providing hours of learning and adventure. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't enjoy Warbirds? The F4U Corsair Micro RC plane proves otherwise. With its compact 400mm wingspan and advanced pilot stabilization system, this little Warbird is designed to be approachable for first-time pilots. Traditionally, Warbirds are challenging to fly, but modern Euro technology makes even snap-prone designs manageable, opening the door for rookies to experience the thrill of military aircraft without frustration. Ideal for beginners, kids, or adults drawn to fighter planes, the Corsair offers a low-stress introduction to Warbird flying. It's perfect for anyone seeking something more exciting than a typical high-wing trainer while still enjoying an accessible, forgiving flight experience. The aircraft's combination of realistic military styling and trainer-friendly flight makes it irresistible. Pilot stabilization keeps the plane level and prevents tip stalls or snap rolls, while one-key aerobatics let newcomers pull off loops and rolls that look impressive. Flying is fun and worry-free. EPP foam construction absorbs impacts, the propeller saver reduces damage, and the pre-assembled airframe ensures everything is ready out of the box. Its lightweight 60G frame makes crashes more comedic than catastrophic, letting beginners practice confidently in backyards, parks, or calm open areas. 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allow pilots to progress, while 12 to 15-minute flights and a 200-plus foot range provide plenty of time to learn and enjoy. Priced around $110 to $120 RTF, with inexpensive spare parts, this Corsair delivers incredible value. It's an unbeatable choice for anyone wanting their first Warbird experience, offering fun, durability, and confidence-building features that make beginners feel like ace pilots from day one. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. But cripes a mighty third P51D Mustang is the epitome of sport-scale Warbird excellence. Combining iconic styling, operational flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and a signature 4-blade propeller, this Mustang delivers a true Warbird experience for pilots who demand both authenticity and performance. With E-flite's AS3X stabilization and optional safe select, even a plane traditionally considered challenging is made approachable without sacrificing realism. This aircraft is perfect for intermediate to advanced pilots seeking their first full-featured Warbird. History enthusiasts and scale aficionados will appreciate the meticulous attention to detail, from the exhaust stacks to the sequenced gear doors. If you've mastered basic flying and crave the thrill of Warbird aerobatics with scale fidelity, this Mustang is designed for you. Flying the P51D is a joy. On a 3S battery, it behaves like a smooth, responsive gentleman's Warbird, perfect for cruising and scale maneuvers. Switch to 4S, and it transforms into a vertical performer, ready for loops, rolls, and aggressive throttle runs. Functional split flaps and electric retracts allow precise takeoffs and slow, scale-like landings. The AS3X system smooths out turbulence while preserving the Mustang's characteristic feel, giving pilots confidence in a high-performance package. Key features include split flaps with independent servos, electric retracts with scale doors, AS3X with optional safe select, a 3S/4S compatible brushless motor system, and a telemetry-enabled Smart 70A ESC. With a 1,219mm wingspan, reinforced EPO construction, and high-quality metal-geared servos, it's as durable as it is detailed. While now limited due to discontinuation, this P51D Mustang remains a collector's and pilot's dream, combining scale fidelity, versatile performance, and smooth, responsive flight that sets the benchmark for sport-scale warbirds.